Hello everybody, welcome to Smoothie Making with Pele, aka Goddess of the Gut. So today I'm going to make me my favorite 7-fruit smoothie, but I'm going to add a little bit of extra something in there because it's not a fruit. But anyhow, we'll start off with using my 3-horsepower blender, Blendtec. I will put in about 10 to 12 ounces coconut water. This was fresh cut yesterday. I'll put it back in the fridge because it's very volatile. And now we'll start off with my organic Honeycrisp apple. Do a quick wash. Got my cutting board. Keeping the stem, the seeds, and the skin. We won't mention that Honeycrisp doesn't even look like it has any seeds. Oh my goodness. All right, next fresh produce that's not frozen is the kiwi. All right, using a fully ripe kiwi, I remove its skin because I don't like a frothy smoothie, which is what I tend to notice happens when we put the skin of the kiwi into the smoothie. Have you guys ever had a kiwi in your smoothie before? Please comment below. All right, so that's one kiwi. The next thing I'm gonna put in that's fresh is, and I say fresh because it's not frozen, putting in all the fresh things first. Blackberries. Taking out all the soggy ones because I don't like to eat them when they're soggy, but I do like to eat them when they're firm or just about getting soggy. Just about a half a cup. And then I'll add avocado for the creaminess. I don't use banana for creaminess. It just takes up too much of the flavor and it's not that hydrated or not very tasty in my opinion. And so I'll put avocado, which does not have a flavor in the smoothie. It just makes it creamier. Adds a little bit of healthy fat also. And then we'll start off here with some frozen strawberries, also about half a cup. And lastly, well, not lastly, but almost last, we'll have some frozen grapes. I only use dark grapes. I don't use the green grapes anymore, now that I realize that they're hybridized to be sweet, and that's the sweetness of those grapes are not good for us, actually. These have more nutrition anyway. Antioxidants are highly present in your dark grapes, as well as your blackberries and your blueberries. And all fruits have antioxidants, but it's just there's more of a variety in the darker berry. And so the lemon, I usually peel the skin. This one is a little dry, this lemon, so it's kind of hard to peel it. And when I peel the yellow part off, which some people keep in their smoothies, I can't handle that. That's too acidic, and it's not really that great for our digestive system, despite what they say. Anyway, I just take off about 1/8 sliver, just enough to give it a little tartness. And lastly, I'm gonna put cilantro today. Cilantro is a blood cleanser, and there's nothing wrong with me, but why not? Because I have it, so I'm gonna put it in today. And so it's gonna be a little earthy. Now I will blend this on the highest, well, first I'm gonna pulse it to break it down, and then blend it on the highest setting. of those little clunky, that's the strawberry. It's hard to break down the frozen strawberries. And it's still cold, even though it blended for 47 seconds or 49 seconds. I'm gonna put it up, blend it some more to break down all those seeds and stems. Well, that sounds like it is ready to be served. Uh-oh. Something didn't get blended because it was stuck. Okay. Here it comes. Yum! How beautiful is that? I don't know if you noticed it changed colors because it was purple in the beginning. But, oh yeah. Tip number one, don't rush drinking your smoothie because it's literally blended food and digestion starts in the mouth. Be sure that you sip and allow the smoothie to sit on your tongue for a few seconds before swallowing. Enjoy the day and thank you for watching Making a Smoothie with Pele, aka Goddess of the Gut. Have a great day.